Not a race.
Not a race.
2, 1. Rock and roll! Good luck, enjoy. It's not a race. Take approach the route with caution, Artha. Not a race. Easy riding, enjoy.
See you later.
Hi, Tonto.
See you later. See you later. And so we're off. We're off for the 2023 Audax Baler. It's one of my favorite routes, but it's not going to be easy today. We're going to go through about 4 different hills onto some flats. It's going to be a long day on the saddle, and I know that many people can't finish this course. That's what they say. It's because of the last 4 climbs that you have on the way back home. So I think the key is just have fun. I'm a little nervous today. I was supposed to use my road bike on this long road ride, but had some brake cable problems. So at the last minute I turned around and had to use my gravel bike. I'm nervous not because I've not done a 200-kilometer ride on a gravel bike before, but not on this gravel bike. First time to have a long ride on Olivia, the Open. It's a great place to ride your bike, but I haven't done this on a one-by system before. One-by meaning I only have one chainring up front. My gravel bike is using the Campagnolo Ecar, which is a 1x13. So I'm nervous that it's not enough because there's some flats to be taken here. The thing is also, it's a heavier bike. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Rain before the start, still drizzling now. Forecast is a bit of a drizzle, but we go on. Oh. My power meter is not working on a day where I need a power meter for the climbs to manage my effort. Oh boy, I guess gotta old school it. Forecasted to have a light rain and it's already started. Not many people joined this edition of the Audax. It's about a 6-hour drive from Manila. It was just after a long Audax just recently, so many people are taking a day off from long distance cycling. But this is a nice place to ride. I've always said that if I had to suffer for 200 kilometers, I'd suffer here. The rain's gotten stronger, but we found each other and we've settled into a pace line Hopefully that helps. Our Roda Quezon is on the eastern seaboard of Luzon. So we get the sunrise here, but came a little late already because the ride started then. Stopping. Gonna have a photo here. Yeah. Stopping. Okay, we're here for a quick photo. I mean, come on, it's not a race, right? So here we are in one of the most scenic spots on this route. I'm not saying that there aren't other scenic spots, but this is going to be good. Oh, morning, bud. Cheers, bud. So how could you not take a photo? This is one of the reasons why I get on a bicycle. And I try to get a little stronger so I can see places like this. A little farther and different from what you're used to on your everyday ride. So the 6-hour drive, yeah, it's worth it. Of course, we're just 20 kilometers into this difficult 220 ride. And I'd have a different mindset later. This is the first of 9 climbs on this route. There used to be an advantage of somebody who has ridden the route before, so they know how long the climbs are, where to conserve energy. But with better equipment these days, like this Climb Pro, it just negates that advantage. Everybody can have the information, even if they've never ridden the route before. So then, old fogies like me, I just have to face up to reality. So after that short climb, we start our first descent. Now, just like you saw the climbs with lots of switchback on a steep ascent, pretty much the same thing on the backside. So we really have to mind our momentum, especially to today on a rainy day. It is raining, but it's not cold, so it's actually quite refreshing. This is what I mean, some pretty sharp hairpins and turns. On the way down. This right turn here. Okay, that makes my day. Lost my power meter, lost my heart rate monitor. I think the universe is saying, just go totally old school. Okay, I got the message.
Hey, sorry po. Wala na, stock. Teka lang. Ano po, yan, para makapasok ka.
Ang dala ko yung ano, yung bigay ni...
Thank you. Oops, excuse me, bud.
Iba yung dala mo?
Okay. So the checkpoint, they scan your QR code. That is proof that you've passed and had yourself stamped there. Before we used to have a card and there's an actual wet signature on it. But now they've moved on and been more efficient just doing QR code. Okay, we lost SAG. I think they went in a different direction. So we went on trying to contact them, send them to the right place, asking for a return call. We're now on the second of 9 clients, and I sure hope he doesn't call me now. My 2x group set. That's what I've been used to all these years. My first time to go 1x is with this car. So I'm missing that big drop from the big chain ring to the small chain ring as a bailout on a quick climb. But I have to admit that the braking of this group set, it's just as many others reviewed. It's fantastic. The modulation is so comfortable and easy, and thumbs up. Okay, he's having a hard time, and so are we. Okay, these tires I've been complaining about how heavy they are and slow. But boy, they grip pretty well on turns. Okay, I finally get to shift to the largest truck. Just in the time of Nick. I mean, I was carrying a 13 cassette, but only using 12 speeds. That's a pity. It's actually a penalty. Next climb in 54 kilometers. Hooray! Okay, we are done with this climb. Complete. We hit the turnaround point, come back the same way, so that's why it is saying our next climb is probably going to be this. It's 54 kilometers away. I wouldn't go rejoicing yet because I mean, so that's what's after this. It's going to be flats, and I'm not really good at flats. Well, that's not true. I just don't like them. I'm not good at climbing either, but I think this one I enjoy more because there's like some progress, and you can see, for example, when you're climbing and you see a tree and it's coming closer, that's progress. But on flats, it's just like never ending, and it's just a drone of your pedals and your tires, and it's just never ending. So yeah, I suck at flats. Okay, my bottles are empty. I need to refill. I still have about 15 kilometers, but I don't want to push it till I'm red. I'm in the red. So I better refill here. Even if it means taking a shorter stop there to turn around. It's so pretty here on these flats. So I guess that makes it pretty flat. Come on, give me a break. I gotta entertain myself. You know I hate flats, right? Okay, so we're gonna have our time cards, our QR scanned. Then gonna get something to eat and take a rest. Hello. Yeah. Yes, water or something. Here, please.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Yes, please. All right.
Hindi na ako nagpapreno eh.
Definitely need the calories back into the body. It seemed like very pleasant coming back, but coming over, but going back, I think we'll have a different demeanor easily. Because it gets, we start putting the climbs in somewhere near the last half before we get back to the finish line. And then there are still flats to get all the way back to the finish line. So there's work to do. There's work to do. It's getting hot, closer to noon. So we decided to put a little train on and help each other to get back. up some friends. Well, we made friends along the way, asked them to join us. So they said yes, they'll join the train. They'll pull also. So that makes 6 of us. So imagine that. You pull for 1 kilometer and you get the rest for 5. It's a good deal. That's a nice promo. I overheard the other guy say it's 41 degrees. And I'm like, I didn't want to know that. Because every time you know, right, it's gonna get worse. It's not like you can change the heat. So honestly, I prefer not to know. And I just look forward to biking from shade to shade. Hello, like this, woohoo! So notably cooler. And then we come out to this. So we hunt for the next shade, and then that becomes our reward. I don't know how many degrees. It's gonna break my heart. Okay. Slowly. There, I see some shade up there. That's our reward. Let's go, Olivia. That was one tough climb in the heat, high noon. It's a little over 3 kilometers of a climb. That was nasty and hot. And so it was even nastier. Now going downhill. I'm gonna stop in a convenience store, a local convenience store. Try to get some sugar and buy a soda. These are going downwind. Downwind? I'm going downhill. I'm fading away. I've got 2.2 kilometers to climb. Then after that, I think there's a little market where I can buy some soda and get some sugar. Oh boy, I'm fading away. At least I have some shade here. Isn't it so amazing? It sounds like a recording on some big speakers playing out here, but that's a real bird. A real bird song. And that's real shade in front of me. Oh, hooray. It's crazy. I'm speechless. I'm speechless after that climb. It's downhill. It better be. Oh, but look at this. So nice and so blue. Look at the ocean. Did you see? Did you see how nice and blue? Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. That's a Pacific. Oh dear. That's a picker-upper. That's a picker-upper. Gotta stop and get a drink and a bite to eat. I'm fading away. Dark. Oh, perfect. Oh, look at the ice in that. Perfect. It's ice. Okay. Doing this one next time and have some calories. Okay, this says that we're getting closer to home. Alright. 8th climb out of 9 in the route. Getting there. Getting there. We're going down, doobie-doo, down, down.
Ganyan eh. Lagi na nakita ko naman yan.
Kaya ayaw ko magbabalik ka na. Google map na lang.
Hindi, makakapagpili naman eh. Kung saan eh. Pero wait lang, din nila kasama mag-shortcut. Pero
Got to the last checkpoint. We scanned the QR. From here, just have to go and scan the QR at the finish line. Audax for 200 kilometers has a time limit, a cutoff of 13 and a half hours, if I'm not mistaken. And that means that we started at 5. You should be getting in and cross the finish line before 6:30. We only have 42 kilometers left. So I guess we'll make it. I want a cold beer. That's what I want. Okay, we're starting the last climb. The last climb of the ride. Woohoo! About 1.9 kilometers, 1.6 kilometers. I'm just gonna take it slow, because slow is all I can do. Climb complete. The climb is complete. The last climb is complete. Hooray! Hooray! Oh. Now it's some 20 kilometers of flats left. My legs are so dead that on flats I can hold about 26, 27. But the minute I put any incline, suddenly I crawl. Slow to a crawl. So dead. My legs feel like wood right now. Okay, we'll definitely take a photo of Olivia. Definitely one of the highlights when you ride in Baler is this coastal road. It's so beautiful, and look at the color of the ocean. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Isn't it so gorgeous? Isn't it so worth it? like I picked myself up a Peloton going home. Okay, made it. Just a few kilometers left to the finish line. Almost reset itself without my pushing a button. And now I've got all the data back. I've got the power, heart rate, and the cadence. What? Okay. I know exactly what happened there. It was the universe that said, forget the gadgets and just enjoy the ride. So weird. Because suddenly now it's all back. Yeah. Only a few meters to get to the finish line. What a day, what a long day. Oh, almost there. $200. We're back. Oh, it's a 201 kind of day. We thought we had 2,200 meters of elevation gained. It was an awesome day. I lost my power meter, I lost my cadence, I lost my heart rate monitor, and I think it was the universe saying, just have fun. And that's what I did. It was a tough day in the office, but boy, worth the trip to come over and do this all over again. And if you enjoyed the ride, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Cheers. Woohoo!